As I discussed, we have added few blocks to our template, but these blocks were very simple. There are many other blocks as well in the Mail Chimp interface that you can use to increase the interactivity of your emails. So let us start with discussing those blocks. First, we have text block. This is used to enter the plain text in your mail. We have already used it in our previous template, so no need to explain it further. Next, we have box text block. This block is used when you want to catch the attention of your subscribers by putting some text with contrasting background. Again, there are many settings available for this block and you may change them accordingly. Let me show you how to change the background color. Then we have the divider. Divider is basically used to insert different sections in your mail. Just drag and drop it at the relevant portion of your mail and it will create a new section. You may go through the settings to make it more visible. Image block is used when you want to insert a single image in the mail. We have already used it, so just play around it. Now this one is very interesting. When you insert a group of photo in the email, then this block is used called image group. This block is primarily used by e-commerce websites when they want to show the multiple product in a single mail. The use of this block is very simple. Just drag and drop and upload the relevant images from the studio. Then we have the image card. It is similar to image plus caption and you can add the text along with your image while using it. Now there are two blocks. First is social sharing and another is social follow. So how are they different? Social sharing block is used when you want that your subscribers should share your mail content at different platforms. Social follow block is nothing. It is used when you want that your subscribers should visit your social platforms or they should follow you on various social media platforms. We have already used a social follow block. Let us see how to insert a social sharing block in the mail content. Very simple. Just drag and drop the social sharing block to the template. You can further edit the link text, but I think it's okay with the default. More options are available in style and settings. Just play around these options. Next we have button. It is used to insert the call to action in a mail. I hope you remember what is call to action. Just drag and drop it. Change the button text according to your business or service, like I am changing to join. Insert a link here to complete the call to action. It may be your address, email address, anchor text, or a file to download. Let me give the link of my website. Please attempt to use rest of the option to understand their purpose. From style, make some cosmetic changes in the button, like border, rounded corner, and background color of the button. From settings, you may change the alignment of the button. Next we have the footer block. We have already used it. There is another block to insert the code in your mail if it is needed. Lastly, we have the video block to provide more interactivity to your mail. Drag and drop it to the template. Just copy the link of any YouTube video and paste it here. You can also change the caption of the video by editing it. Play around rest of the settings of this block. So finally, let us preview it. Yes, all blocks are there that we have just inserted, and call to action button is working. Save and exit. So congratulations, we have edited our template by adding various blocks to it. Now there is very important thing. Though I have added all the blocks in a single template, but there is no need to add all the blocks to a single template. So in future, whenever you will design your email marketing campaigns, so design different blocks for different purposes. So it will give you the better idea which block works well for you. And after adding so many blocks and having the experiences, so select the best one out of the given blocks.